across these wooden jigsaw puzzles. This is a pack of 6. Each puzzle has 20 pieces. So 20 pieces. They're very little, maybe 4 by 4, 4 inches by 4 inches. All 6 of these come in the package. Designed for age 3 to 5, I'm assuming. But adorable animals, sturdy pieces. Here are all the puzzles. Kitty, panda, and the elephant. But built for toddlers, chunky pieces. I don't want to open this because I'm going to put these in little gift baskets, but perfect wooden frame. I like that the puzzle goes into the frame. So once the pieces come out, you actually rebuild the puzzle in the frame, making the puzzle less frustrating. But vibrant animal designs is going to keep those little kiddos interested. And, puzzles are always good for that coordination with the hands and the critical thinking skills. Where does the puzzle piece go? But high quality wood, not thin at all. This, I did read on the back of this that it's non-toxic paint. So toddlers, whatever they're going to do with these will hold up. But these are perfect for playtime, road trips, or just, at the table to engage. But watching the little ones figure this out is just a reward for the adults and for the littles. But I highly recommend this 6-piece wooden jigsaw puzzle set.